Nowadays traffic jam is one of the major problems in metropolis around the world. When traffic jams occur on congested roads or highways, police vehicles cannot pass through to arrive at the site in time for investigation and control. UAVs can directly fly to the destination instead of police at this time. The UAV command center can capture real-time information and make arrangement immediately to solve the traffic jam. Digital Eagle SK-42 and SK-62 can be widely used in aerial surveillance, investigation, forensics, image acquisition, firefighting and other tasks. It can also carry loudspeaker and alarm lights. In special circumstances, it can even throw emergency items to ensure the safety and completion of rescue tasks.